Flagship Realme 9 Pro is going to arrive very soon in India. Now Realme is officially announcing the confirmed India release date. ये फ़ोन इंडिया के अंदर 19 Feb को लॉन्च होने वाले ऑफिशियली एंड दिस दी ऑलमोस्ट 90% confirmed India release date and those are waiting for this phone. Finally, the launch date was very close, and yes guys, in this time this phone is coming with the new flagship specs and the new design and the great price point, and now official pricing is out now and ये phone ना is a great flagship specs पे run करने वाला है, like the new flagship performance and the new display and the new cameras and many new features, and everyone is waiting for the new flagship Realme 9 Pro, and those who are waiting, the launch date was very close, and yes guys, this is the best option in 2022 those who want a good flagship phone, and I am very excited for the new Realme 9 Pro because ये phone as a flagship होने वाला है and coming on a mid segment pricing. This is the great update, and अगर आप लोगों को भी जानना है इस फ़ोन के रिलेटेड तो आप इस वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखिए because in this video I'll talking about the in detail of Realme 9 Pro and ये वीडियो इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है those are waiting for the new flagship Realme 9 Pro. So करते हैं इस वीडियो को, and yes guys, let me know you first the confirmed specs of the new flagship Realme 9 Pro, and yes guys, this phone is coming on a new flagship specs. This is the best update from Realme and I am very excited for this phone. Start करते हैं इस फ़ोन के core specs performance, and this phone is running on a new flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 780G dual 5G chipset, and this is the official confirmation from Realme. And yes guys, this phone is coming on a high clock speed 2.6 GHz, and this chip is based on a 6nm AI technology. That's why this phone is giving a good flagship performance and the good gaming performance. And yes guys, this phone is based on a new storage options like the 12GB to 56GB as a top end variant. This is the best option, and this phone is coming on a new Android 12 update with the new Realme UI update. And yes guys, this phone का ना mid variant भी है, सब best variant है 8GB 128GB. Display concept के बारे में बात कर देना, officially out now. This phone is coming on a new flagship display like the 120Hz high refresh rate based on a super AMOLED panel and the new bigger size display 6.7 inch with the full HD plus resolution and the new in-display fastest fingerprint scanner, जो really such a great fastest fingerprint scanner होने वाला है because इस बार new कुछ concept मिल रहा है Realme 9 Pro के अंदर. And this phone is coming on a single punch hole for selfie top left corner, plus इस phone के अंदर curved display and HDR10 plus का support मिलने वाला है. Overall as a great display इस phone के अंदर मिलने वाला है. कैमरे के बारे में बात करते हैं, this phone is coming on an amazing camera setup like the new quad camera setup, and yes guys, this is the final look of camera, and this phone is based on a new 108MP Sony camera, and this is the nice camera setup you getting in this phone. Plus इस phone के अंदर second and third and fourth camera best मिलने वाले like 16MP plus 8MP plus 5MP and ultra wide angle lens, telephoto lens and depth sensing मिलने वाला है, जो overall is a great perform करने वाला है. And यहाँ पे confirm है front selfie camera is going to change like the new 44MP and this is the best camera. Pricing and confirm India release date के बारे में बात करते हैं. This phone is coming on a new best pricing like 19,999 around 20,000 rupees, and yes guys, this is the best pricing and this pricing is officially listed now. तो confirm ये phone कोई similar price point पे launch होने वाला है. Starting variant 6GB 128GB, and this is a great pricing because in this price point you're getting everything flagship, plus इस phone के अंदर new design भी मिलने वाला है and इस phone के अंदर best specs मिलने वाला है, no doubt for specs. And yes guys, this phone is coming on India very soon. Official release date is out now. ये phone इंडिया के अंदर Feb mid तक और Feb end तक officially release होने वाला है, and I am very excited for this phone. Let me know in comment box if you are very excited. Please let me know in comment box. And yes guys, that's it for in this video. If you like this video, please like this video, and if you want to subscribe this channel, please do it now and press the bell